Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am going to be cash stuffing my cash envelopes that I have in my wallet, and I'm going to be doing my coin challenge. So if there's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. So, you know I'm doing the 10K challenge. I'm trying to save as much money as I can, so I'm going to take this I'm trying to take this gel polish off of my nails. I've been soaking it in acetone, but as you can see, that's not working. It's taking too long. Do y'all have any more tips on how I can get this gel polish off my nails without having to go to the nail shop and paint them? Because all I'm going to do is just get a clear coat of clear polish, and I really don't want to paint them. So, you know, I got goals over here. So if y'all have any tips, let me know in the comment section. So, let's go ahead and get started. So I have my cash envelopes here. I just made a video showing whether or not I stayed in budget, but of course you're gonna see that I did stay in budget when you watch this video, but still go and check out that video that I posted. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Household had $6 left, so I'm gonna put that over to the side. Eating out had $4 left. Then groceries had $41. I actually did real good this week. Spending had, ta-da, $46. So that's great. And Dollar Tree had $3. So if you're new to my channel, this is your first time seeing my hands in this cracked gel polish, I'm Mrs Vee, and my husband and I are consumer debt free, but I put myself on a budget, and I budget a portion of our spending money because I would like to retire at the age of 60. So I wanted to be strategic about how I'm saving my money. You know, of course I have the 401k and regular savings account, and we have our emergency fund, but that's not going to be enough. So I wanted to start budgeting some of our spending money and save more money. So that's what my channel is about. If you like tips on budgeting, and if you want some inspiration on getting out of debt and staying out of debt, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and tap that subscribe button at the bottom of the video and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So let's go ahead and stuff these envelopes. Dollar Tree I usually do 20. So I'm gonna give myself, I'm gonna do 2 5s and 10 ones. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I picked up exactly 10 ones. Yay! The crafty budgeter would be proud. So spending, I usually do 100, and this will be gone this week because I have decided to lock my natural hair. If you're not familiar with locks, it's just getting it locked like dreadlocks, but it'll be smaller. So that's gonna be $100. So that's all my spending money. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. But I'm going ahead and put it in this envelope. But yeah, I'm excited about this journey. Cause I got too many goals. I ain't got time. I don't have time to be doing no hair. So eating out gets $15, so I'm gonna do a 10 and a 5. Then also in that same envelope on the other side, I do groceries with it, which is 50. So I am going to do, wait a minute, 10, 20, okay, 30, 40, 50. Thought I was short here. So this is groceries. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So this groceries. And then I usually fold the eating out. And that's $15. And last but not least is household and personal items. And that's going to be $15, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. Yep. So guys, guess what? I won a wallet off of Instagram. I'm gonna do a video unboxing it and showing you setting it all up. It's a cash envelope wallet, and I'm excited. I won't have to use these envelopes anymore because it has the dividers made into the wallet. So I'm excited to make that video. So yeah, I put these in my wallet. So let's separate the money that I had left over from my cash envelopes from not spending as much this week. So we had 20. So we had, yeah, you see, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So that's great because I normally stuff a total of $200 in my cash envelopes weekly. So I save half of the money. So what I usually do is whatever sinking fund that is a priority for me, I divide it up and put the rollover in there. And so the priority for me right now is my daughter's wedding, which is September 11th. That's one thing I'm gonna stuff, and Mrs Vee, my personal envelope. So Mrs Vee is gonna get $50 because remember, my entire spending money for the week, the $100 that I normally give myself, is gonna be gone to get my hair done. So this will give me, you know, some money if I just decide I just want to spend more than 100 this week. So I'm gonna put 50 in Mrs Vee envelope. And so I do it this way. That way I don't have to get so much money out of the bank to stuff my sinking funds. And plus, by me rolling it over to a high priority sinking fund, that motivates me not to spend. Because if I just leave the money in the envelope and just let it roll over, say like if I would have left that $50, $46 that was in my spending category and then just added my $100 that I normally add, that would have gave me $146. I don't want to do that. I don't want to have more money to spend. I'm trying to spend as less as possible and still enjoy the journey. So that's what I do on my channel. Everybody does it different. Some people roll theirs over, but that's not my goal here. So wedding is going to get 50, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So wedding presently has $112, and out of this, I have a bridal shower to host. So anything additional things I need for the bridal shower, I'll get it out of this envelope. And also I've already bought my dress, the mother of the bride dress. I still need to get my shoes, and then of course, you know, I still gotta get my hair done and makeup and all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna stuff this as much as I can until the actual wedding, and then whatever is left in there, whatever priority I have it during that time, I'll roll it over to that envelope. So 112 plus 50 should be 162. So let's count and see. Let me see if any of it is in the bank. No, all of it is should be right here. This should be 162. So let's see. It don't look like no 162. Some lies have been told somewhere. Wait a minute. Let's see. Don't look like no 162 to me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I'd have been lying to myself. Something happened. So I only have 104. So I withdrew 136. It left me with 74. Then I subtract 58. plus 10, 68. Yeah. I don't know what happened, but I don't have 162. Let me figure out, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I just erased the entire thing, but I forgot I had put all them money in the bank before I purchased my dress. It was like $210, and then I forgot that I had a portion of it in the bank. So $58 is in the bank and $104 is in cash. So 104 plus 58 is 162. So I do have 162. Okay, got that problem solved. So that's all my rollover money. And now we're going to count my coins. And don't forget that these envelopes are in my Etsy shop if you're interested. I know they're a little different, but you know, I went on the wild side with this one. So this is my coin counter. It is in my Amazon storefront. So check the description box if you're interested. So we're going to empty out my coins. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's see, we got my change here. I got a lot of change. My husband emptied out his truck. Change out his truck. So I should be able to wrap the quarters and the pennies this go round. I'm gonna put my cash envelopes back in here for the last time. Cause next time you see this, see Mrs Vee, she gonna have a new wallet. I'm gonna get this one to my daughter. She done already asked for it. So let's see what we got here. So this little coin counter, I don't know if you can see it on the video. It has a little, it tells you when it's time to wrap the coins. I hate to have my ugly nails in here, but anyway, this is real life over here. So right there would be where the quarters would be. So I think I'm gonna make it on the quarters. But you know, I'm OCD, I still count them. So I'm gonna put all this other, but I think we're gonna wrap the quarters and the pennies. Yeah, so if you're interested in this coin counter, coin organizer, like I said, check the description box. I picked it up on Amazon. I saw it on another cash stuffers video, and of course I clicked the link and I ordered it because those coin counters that everybody uses that tell you how much is in the jar, that won't help me because I still gotta wrap them. So let me wrap these, and I wrap these coins, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I got $10.50 to add to my 10K challenge. So yeah, this is, I gotta start over with my coins. This is what I have left. So yeah, that's gonna conclude this video, guys. If you want to know about some great deals and have a little fun, follow me over on Instagram. I'm a little more serious over here on YouTube, you know, because that's just the serious side of me. But I have a little more fun on Instagram, and also follow me on TikTok. So check out my links in the description box. So yeah. So if you made it to this part of the video, yay for you, because guess what? I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, I have a random act of kindness. I'm gonna be sharing with 2 people these bank teller slips. Each person will get 2 slips. You can keep one for yourself, and you know, share one with one of your family or friends, somebody who's starting to budget, or keep both of them for yourself, because sometimes I can't always find my bank teller slip, so I always keep me 2. So this is the one set. You get a blue one and a this white one, and I decorated it real cute. And then this one is more plain, and then you get the blue teller slip. So all you do is just use a Sharpie and to, you know, fill your tracker out. And if you, when you get ready to clean it, you can just use alcohol, hand sanitizer, or nail polish remover, and it comes out fine, and you just keep reusing it. So if you're interested in either one of these, just be the first person to comment anything that's pertaining to a bank. Just have the word bank in your comment, and I'll know that you're interested in these bank teller slips. So yeah, so that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always, always, always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.